How to restore Snapchat streak. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can restore a Snapchat streak, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to restore a Snapchat streak, open up the Snapchat application here. If you were in a streak with someone and then you just happen to lose that streak with someone, you can still restore it. If you just go ahead and then tap the profile tab from the top left and then you tap the gear icon from the top right, simply scroll down to the very bottom and then actually you'll find an option that says under support, I have lost my snap streak. So you can tap on I've lost my snap streak option. It says what best describes your issue. You can select how do I restore my Snapchat streak over here. It says if you recently, you can restore it once, free snap streak restore, or with an in-app purchase from the chat feed or your conversation as well. So you can go ahead and then restore in that way if you'd like, or you can simply go to I need help section here. Then once you go to I need help, you can go ahead and select I lost my snap streak again. From here, I lost my snap streak, you can simply scroll down. It says fill out this form. So tap on fill out this form and then just make sure to select the details. You have to enter the last snap streak that you remember with that person and how long was your snap streak before it expired, what was the issue, and then you tap on the submit option and then Snapchat will review this, by the way, and then they will be able to restore it. This way you can restore Snapchat streak. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in our next video.